Our body is a wonderful machine. Students, our body is made up with the different part, and each part has their special job to do. Each part having their special functions, and they are performing very well. They are performing very well. In this lesson, what we have to learn? We have to learn how this body is made up, then which parts are there, and organ systems, its function, its structure. That all things we have to learn in this lesson. Okay, now we are going to turn towards our lesson. As we know that if we see the house, a house is made up with the bricks. Brick is the fundament, means it's a unit, and one by one we can keep the bricks and make the walls, and 4 walls when ready, that time our house will be get developed. Means our house is made up with the bricks. Like this, our body, do you know, this is the body, and body is having the bricks. ये बिल्डअप करने के लिए, ये बिल्डिंग बनाने के लिए हमें भी ब्रिक्स की जरूरत है. So which are the bricks of our body? Do you know? I think you don't know about this. Let's I will tell you. This brick means smallest unit of our body is a cell. Smallest unit of our body is a cell. Cell is the brick of our body. It is very smallest unit of our body. तो ये सबसे छोटा पार्ट है सेल, और सेल से हमारी बॉडी बन गई है. तो ये कैसे बनी है? हाउ दिस सेल इज गेट टुगेदर, how this organ system has formed, how organs are formed, that we have to say in this lesson. Let's see about the next how this organism get performed. Watch it carefully and listen it carefully. Try to understand each concept. This lesson is very interesting lesson. I hope you will enjoy it. Let's see about the next point. Just check it, students. Cells are the smallest unit of our body. As I have told you, cells are the smallest unit of our body. These cells are the smallest unit of our body, act like a bricks. Act like a bricks, which is very important structure in our body. See next, these cells, the same types of cells, many cells come together and make our tissue. These cells, many cells come together and makes a tissue. Okay, a tissue is made up of many cells of same type. Same type के cells एक साथ इकट्ठा होते हैं और tissue form होता है. Next thing, that is an organ is made up of different tissues. These different type of tissues come together make an organ. We know that the organs, आपने अपने बॉडी के ऑर्गन्स पता है, जैसे कि आईज, नोज, ईयर्स, टंग, टीथ. दीज आर द ऑर्गन्स, दीज आर द बॉडी पार्ट्स. ओके, इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स आर द डिफरेंट. In the second standard, you have learned about the internal organs, that is the heart, brain, lungs. These are the internal organs which are present inside our body, and which can we see outside of our body, that are called as external organs. Getting? So an organ, if we think of one organ, here showed you the stomach. And an organ, if it get the develop, how it get developed? An organ is made up of the different tissues. What I have told you, cells come together, many cells are come together, same type of cells are come together, make a tissue. Different tissues come together, make an organ, and different organs, a group of organs come together, make an organ system. We can take an example, that is digestive system is there, excretory system is there, nervous system is there, reproductive system is there. Means that type of all the systems are present in our body. How they could develop? They can develop with the help of these organs. A group of organs come together, make a organ system. Understood? Next point, that is these all organ systems come together. These all organ systems come together, perform a different functions. Means, for example, digestive system. We can take the digestive system. It performing which work? That complex food converted into the simple food. Digestive system converting complex food to the simple food. This is the function of digestive system. Next, we can take that excretory system. Okay, excretory system. What is the work of excretory system? It removes the waste material from our body. It removes the waste material from our body. It is the function of excretory system. Means it having the special function. Excretory system having special function. Then digestive system having special function. Like this, skeletal system. Skeletal system gives support to our body. Support and size. Okay, shape also. It given by the skeletal system. Means these are the different system, and different system performs their different functions. Okay, and these different systems come together. These all different systems come together make an organism. An organism is a living being, is made up of a different organ systems, each performing different functions. Now you understand, this is our body and it is very interesting, like a wonderful machine. What I have told you, our body is made up with the cell. Cell is the smallest unit of our body. Cell is the smallest unit of our body. And now these many cells come together, same type of cells come together, make the tissues. Tissues. A group of tissues come together. Many group of different type of tissues come together, make an organ. These organs come together, make an organ system. And organ systems, different organ systems come together, make an organism. So we are the organisms, we are the living beings, and living beings के लिए different functions जरूरी है. खाते हैं तो वो फूड का डाइजेशन होना चाहिए, उसका फंक्शन अलग है, उसका सिस्टम अलग है. एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम जो खाते हैं वो वेस्ट मटेरियल थ्रो आउट करने के लिए उसके भी सिस्टम अलग अलग है. रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम जो हवा इधर से अंदर लेते हैं वो किधर तो जाती है ना, इट इज द रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम. देन स्केलेटल सिस्टम, ये सब एक साथ इकट्ठा होते हैं, डिफरेंट फंक्शंस परफॉर्म करते हैं, तभी ये लिविंग बीइंग का बॉडी ठीक तरीके से चलता है. डू यू गेट मी? तो ये समझ में आई बात, ये था बेसिक. फिर से हम लोग दोहराएंगे. सेल्स, उसके बाद टिश्यूज, उसके बाद ऑर्गन, ऑर्गन के बाद ऑर्गन सिस्टम, ऑर्गन सिस्टम के बाद एन ऑर्गेनिज्म. Understood? Cells come together, make a tissue. Different tissues come together, make an organ. Organs, different organs come together, make an organ system. And organ system, different organ systems come together, make an organism. Do you get me? Okay. Now we will see the different point from this lesson. I hope that you have understood this. Next one, that is the sense organ. Let's see. Hey students, we have learned the sense organs from the first standard to 8th. अभी तक हमने ये फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड से ये सेंस ऑर्गन लर्न किया है. वी नो दैट सेंस ऑर्गन हेल्प अस टू अंडरस्टैंड द सराउंडिंग. Sense organ helps us to understand the surrounding. Means what they are doing? Sense organ collecting the messages from the outside and gives with the help of nerves, gives to the brain, and brain helps us to react against that situations. Okay, so it is the function of sense organ. I hope that you know about this. All living things having the 5 sense organs except trees. Okay, we can here see the 5 sense organs. Which sense organs are there, that we have to see. I know that you know very well which sense organs are there. Then also I am telling you here: ear, eye, nose, skin and tongue. These are the 5 sense organs. As I have told you that these sense organs, what they are doing, they are collecting the messages with the help of nerves and giving to the brain. And after that, brain give the messages to your organs to react. For example, if anybody has shown you the one rose flower, then how you are react? How it is very nice, how beautiful it is, how beautiful it is. How you can understand this is beautiful? Yes, I know that. You can understand by your eyes. Eyes help us to see the things around us. Eyes help us to see the things around us. Okay, if anybody has given you any cake, we can say we can take the example of cake. Cake is very tasty. Cake is very tasty. How we can understand this is very tasty? Yes, with the help of tongue. With the help of tongue. It having the beautiful shape, we can see by the eyes. If anybody is playing the music very nicely, then how we are saying music is it having the very nice melody. कितना अच्छा म्यूजिक है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. कैसे समझ में आता है? खाकर, सुनकर या देखकर? नहीं ना, वो सुनकर ही आता है. तो ये क्या है? ये क्या है? ईयर है. Ear gives the sense of hearing. Understood? So with the help of ear, we can hear the sounds. Then अभी हम लोगों ने क्या क्या देखा कि ear, eyes से हम लोग देख सकते हैं. Eye help us to see the things. Tongue help us to taste the things. And ears help us to hear the things. Next, which are the remaining? See, it is the skin. It is the skin. If anybody is giving to you that ice cubes in your hand, what will be your reaction? Oh, and this way you are giving the reaction. Why? Because you are feeling the cold. In the winter season, we are feeling very cold and wearing the means woolen clothes. In a summer season, we feel very hot and we wear the cotton clothes. How we can understand this? Yes, student, how we can understand this? We can understand this by the skin. Skin helps us to understand these changes. Things are hot or cold, or it is soft or rough. That can also understand by the skin only. So these changes we can feel by the skin. So skin is again sense organ. Now one is remaining nose. If mama is preparing pakode in the kitchen and you are sitting in the hall, you can understand mama has prepared the pakode. Definitely. How you can understand? Without looking. Yes, I know. ये आपकी नाक बता देती है आपको, ये नोज बता देती है कि यस किचन में समथिंग तो कर रही है मम्मी. तो आप लोग भागे भागे दौड़े दौड़े जाते हो, मम्मा व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? तो मम्मा बोलती है हाँ आपको पता चला मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, तो आप क्या बोलते हैं, यस मम्मा आप इतना अच्छा बनाते हो, उसका स्मेल कहीं से भी मैं पहचान लेता हूँ। तो ये स्मेल हमें कहाँ से मिलता है, नोज। So these are our 5 sense organ. Which are those? Once again we can repeat it: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are our 5 sense organ. And what is the function of sense organ? I have told you. These collecting the messages from the outside and gives with the help of nerves gives to the brain. Brain help us to react about that by giving the messages to that respective organs. Understood? These are the sense organs. Now we have to see the next part, that is the organ systems. I have told you before only that organ systems form with the help of different organs. Now we will turn towards our next point. Here, organ systems. We have to see which are the organ systems. These different organ systems come together. Why? Because they are carry out the different functions, major functions in our body. I have told you now, this is the wonderful machine, and these parts we are going to see how these parts are working. If any vehicle we can see in that engine is there, different parts are there, if you have observed, and it having the different functions. Like this, in our body there are the different systems. So let's we start from the skeletal system. Okay, press your knee, elbow or anything like this. See, it is something is hard inside it. Have you pressed it? Yes. Have you felt it? Here is the hard thing. Here, in the knee, then elbow, we can press it, and then people understand something is hard. This hard portion is called as bones. Student, this hard portion is called as bones, and these bones join together makes a skeletal system. How it is that we can see in this picture also. This is the skeletal system of human body. With the help of this you can understand how it has. Suppose this is our skin, there is no any skeletal system, then what will happen? See, imagine that here are bones touch here, then you will understand, yes, hard part it is here. Then these bones are not present. If these bones will not present in our body, तो क्या हो जाता? I will show you something. This is the handkerchief. It's like a skin. If inside we can keep anything inside, it will take the shape of that. If I take the skin inside, then it will take the shape of that. Okay, in this way skeleton is inside our body and gives the shape, size to our body, and it also protect the internal organ which present inside our body. This is the function of skeletal system. Don't forget it, what I have told you. This skeletal system help us to give the shape and size to our body. Also, it helps to protect the internal organ which are present inside our body. Getting? आपने थिंक किया कि अगर यहाँ पे बोन नहीं होते तो क्या होता? ये हमारे स्किन जैसा ये रुमाल है, ये अगर हमने ऐसे किया होता तो ये नीचे फेंक कर दिया तो क्या होगा? फ्लैट हो जाता। तो बाकी के सिस्टम जो है, बाकी के ऑर्गन से कैसे इसमें फिट हो जाते, इसलिए इसके अंदर कौन सा सिस्टम है? skeletal system. I have told you this skeletal system means it is the part of bone. Bones join together very nicely, very sequentially, and make our skeletal system. In the picture you have seen that skeletal system. Now I will show you that. Just see this. It also protect the internal organs. See, it is the skeletal system. See, internal organ, here it is the scale. Sorry, scale, it is not a scale. I am very sorry, students. Here it is the skull, and inside the skull brain is present. So skull is very hard. This part is very hard. It protects our brain. It protects our brain. Now I will show you. These are the ribs. These are the ribs. Ribs protect our internal organ. At the left side, which organ is present? Yes, heart is present. If this heart will get stopped to pump the blood, then what will happen? We can die. That we know. तो ये हार्ट बहुत डेलिकेट है ना, सो इट प्रोटेक्टेड बाय द रिब्स. और क्या क्या प्रोटेक्ट होता है इसके अंदर? रिब्स प्रोटेक्टेड आर हार्ट एंड लंग्स. लंग्स आर आल्सो प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द रिब केज. इसे क्या कहते हैं? रिब्स. और इसे रिब केज कहा जाता है. ये एक एक होता है, उसे कहते हैं रिब्स. दिस इज द स्कल. सो दिस इज अ स्केलेटल system. Understood? So how many bones are present in our body? That you know? आपको पता है? ठीक है, मैं बता देती हूँ. 206 bones are present in adult human body. 206 bones are present in the adult human body. Understood? Keep in mind. So once again we will revise this. We have learned the skeletal system. In that, what we have learned, these bones come together, join together sequentially and make the skeleton. Skeleton gives the shape, size to our body, as well as it protects the internal organs. As I have shown you that skull protect our brain, which is main part of our body, and rib cage protect the heart and lungs. These two internal organs. Many things are there in our body. It has protected by the skeletal system. Understood? 206 bones are present in the adult human body. So this is the function. Once again I am repeating. Skeletal system gives the shape and size to the body, as well as it protects the internal organs. I have given the example. Brain is protected by the skull. Heart and lungs protected by the ribs. So here is the all about the skeletal system. Now we will turn towards the next system. Now next system is the muscular system. Okay. Now check it. Here is the soft part in our body. Everywhere soft part it is there. This is the soft part is the muscles. Okay. These muscles cover these bones, means skeletal system. Suppose we don't have a muscle, this soft part, then what will happen? तो हम लोग हमारा skeleton ऐसे चलाते हैं ना, रोबोट जैसे ऐसे हो जाता, स्किन उसके ऊपर ऐसे पैक हो जाता. But we are having the muscles, and with the help of muscles and bones, means skeletal system and muscular system work together. And it helps us to stand and to move, to work anything. Do you know about that? In a human body, 600 muscles are present. How many muscles are present in a human body? 600 muscles are present.
Dear student, what we understand? Muscles, the skeleton works together with the muscles to make our body stand, move and work. Okay, there are 600 muscles in our body. To do heavy work we need strong muscles. एक्सरसाइज डेली टू मेक योर मसल्स स्ट्रॉन्ग। अगर आपके मसल स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होंगे तो आप हेवी वर्क नहीं कर सकेंगे। अंडरस्टूड? एट ओल्ड एज पीपल वी हैव ऑब्जर्व दैट दे कुड नॉट डू द हेवी वर्क बिकॉज देयर मसल्स आर वेरी वीक दैट टाइम. So for making the strong muscle you should do the exercise daily. Next we will take the information in next part.